Hello, Taylor Swift, babe, my future wife, and people around the world. Today is February 28, 2025. Today, I will show you how to get the gasoline out of the fuel tank completely. First, we need this hose. Then second, we need a gallon, a container. The first thing we do is we open the opening of the fuel tank and then we insert this hose. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we insert there and then what what I will do. What I will do. I will in this hose I will inhale an air in this hose using my mouth so that the gasoline will come out from the fuel tank. Yes, I will inhale an air in this hose like this. Yes, that's right. Watch and learn. So, one.